Hi everyone, my name is Loraine. I'm from Coventry Asylum and Refugee Action Group, in short, CALAG. I'm also a migrant voice ambassador. I also campaign with a campaign called Status Now for All. Status Now for All is a campaign that is asking the UK government and Irish to give indefinite leave to remain to everyone stuck in the system, asylum seekers and migrants, everyone failed by the system, as well as undocumented migrants. Again, as a part of introduction, I'm a Black woman. I'm wearing a yellow regalia, and it's written CALAG, Coventry Asylum and Refugee Action Group in front. I have natural short hair, and I'm wearing small earrings. So this is a speech I gave today at the Coventry Broadgate. The title of the protest was called No to Deportations to Rwanda. And my speech is called Do Not Piss on Me and Tell Me It's Raining. Let me tell you a story. A European, an African, and an Arab are on a boat. The European gets to stay. The African and the Arab gets flown out to Rwanda, but it's not racist. And an Arab and an African escapes bombs and bullets supplied by the West, their homes destroyed in order to westernize them. Some of us are called savages, others are called ragheads, but it's not a racist. Immigration rules in this country are exempt from all equality laws, but it's not racist. Do not piss on me and tell me it's raining. We are here because the rulers of this country were there. We are not going to Rwanda. We are not going to anywhere else. And we know why Rwanda has accepted. It's because of the 120 million pounds that will go into government officials' pockets, and that the UK can wash its hands to the fate of those it will be sending to Rwanda. This policy is not only wrong, but it stinks to high heaven. We condemn this policy with our loudest voices that we can utter. The fate of human beings cannot be transacted the same way like the people traffickers that this government condemn. We ask, is this legal? Is this moral? Let me say this again. We are not going to Rwanda or anywhere else. We are not going to give up. We are not. We have to ask everyone, which side are you on? Which side are you on? As for me, I'm on the side of those the system doesn't authorize. I am on the side of those who are demonized. The last time I checked, it wasn't me or other refugees who raised the price of electricity, at the same time raising millions in profit. If a law is unjust, it is our duty. It is our duty to break it. Justice now and solidarity to all refugees. Thank you for listening.